Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Graceman Academy. So, in this video, I'll be explaining how you can solve this Olympiad mathematics question. The question look as if it's tough because of the roots, but it's just a normal indices problem. All right. So, to solve this question, this is how I'm going to start. I'm going to remove this root. Remember, when you have the root of a, is the same thing as a to the power of half. So I'm going to remove the half here and turn it, the root here and turn it to half. So half, okay, raised to the root of 20 minus root x, then equal to 9. Now this 9 can be written in terms of 3 as 3 to the power of 2. All right. Now remember the power law of indices, that when you have something like this, you are meant to multiply the two powers together. So this will give me a raised to the power of ab. Okay, that is, I will multiply the two powers together. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Multiply this half with this power. So I have 3 raised to the power of root 20 minus root x over 2. All right, then everything equals to 3 raised to the power 2. Now, exponential function that are equal, or exponential equation whereby you have a raised to power x equals to a raised to power 2. Once the bases are the same, it means the power should also be the same. So it means these two bases can cancel each other, and then the two powers, this power and this power, will be made equal. So we have root 20 minus root x over 2 equals to 2. All right. So the next thing is for us to do multiply through by 2 or cross multiply. So if I do a cross multiplication, this will multiply this to give me the root of 20 minus root x. Then 2 times 2 will give me 4. Now, when you have a situation like this, the first thing is for us to remove the root. What we are trying to do is to make x the subject of this equation. So we are going to remove the root by squaring both sides. So if I square both sides, okay, 20 minus root x raised to the power root of 20 minus root x squared equals to 4 squared. Now, if I square both sides, this square has the power to cancel this square root, so that I'll be left with 20 minus root x equals to now 4 to the power of 2. That is 4 times 4 will give us 16. Now, the next thing is to transpose this positive 20 to the other side, where it will turn to negative 20. So minus root x is equal to 16 minus 20. Now let's move further. Minus root x is equal to minus 4. Now this minus, we cancel this minus, or you say multiply through by minus, okay, or minus 1. So we do that, this negative value sign, we cancel this negative sign. So you'll be left with the root of x equals to 4. So the next thing now is for us to remove this root again, just like we did over here. And how do we do that? We square both sides again. So the root of x squared equals to 4 squared. Now, whatever you do to this side must be done to this side, just like we did here. We square both sides. So we square this side and square this side. So this square, we also cancel this square root. So you'll be left with x equals to 4 squared. That is, x is equals to 16. And that is the solution. That is the solution to the question. Thank you.